Oh! Oh my God!
Alright, just use that.
Alright.
Oh, no, I don't think so.
Little tap it.
Here, I'll get it.
Nice.
Okay.
Bullet.
Wow. You're here like 30 minutes and you want to swing it on this one. Don't hit yourself in the back on this one.
Hey, don't break that! Hammer time! You gotta go tell Jay.
Come over top. Come down over top. Good job, Ford. Same spot twice. Or you can still drop down the water.
Ah. Oh.
Try ripping that all off. You got some snips.
Alright, hold on. Let's try and clean all this out. They're using it for their parking lot. Yeah, hold that while you take it in.
Wait, where?
I think all the nice pieces are over here.
Yeah,
The
all the
one-
nice pieces are up there.
Yeah, that junk stuff. So any of these nice pieces, bring them over here.
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
Looking for debris.
A what?
Dude, I wish you could do this when the pool was full.
Why is the pool over there?
I don't know why it'd be over there. Why is there flying debris from the wall?
Yeah, right here.
Got it.
And watch out for the sledgehammer.
What are you talking about, Sledgehammer?
One of the sledgehammers.
Yeah, we
And
gave it
that
to
one-
Jay.
And that one's just about to break.
What are you talking about? If that one breaks, Jay is going to have a fit.
This guy's telling me what he ate for lunch and breakfast and all this stuff.
I've seen Jay angry, and it's freaking funny.
I seen John go girl angry.
I've seen
He's
Jen and
hilarious.
Jay angry at the exact same time.
John Durko angry.
It's
Let's not
hilarious.
even go there.
Oh, it's
I've
not
seen
funny.
Sarah angry. Lifeguard?
Sarah's not
Oh
funny
my-
angry. That's just mad scary.
I hid behind Andy for that one. I was like, okay. Like, I'm not
John
gonna survive
Dogo
this
got
one.
really angry after
I
he
hate
saw me
being
under
under
the
counselors.
wood bench by Calvin.
Yeah, you
at
might
night.
not want to do that. What did she do?
We were trying to steal some food from the fridge.
Why would you try that?
Because we got hungry.
That's why you keep food in your cabin.
Especially with John. Especially.
That's why you keep
Why?
food in
Actually-
your cabin.
Actually, one time we felt epically. And another time we almost
Well,
got it.
I caught my
And
girls
another
trying to sneak
time-
into the craft cabin.
Doing what?
They're just trying to get gimped, and I was like, you can't wait for tomorrow morning. It's 3 in the morning.
It's 3 in the morning.
It's 3 in the morning. And I'm trying to sneak into the craft cabin. I was like, why can't you wait till tomorrow morning? And like, it is tomorrow morning. Don't get smart with me.
Technically, no.
Fire cutter time.
Taking pictures?
I'm taking a video and I'm going to call it What Not to Do with a Sledgehammer.
Do you have photo releases for these guys? Do they sign photo releases?
I'm not sure.
Oh boy, that's a lawsuit right there. Been here all day?
Yeah.
Cool.